Welcome my sisters to the very first charity beauty workshop in the country in honour of our Syrian brothers and sisters who are in need of our support and our du'as.
We at Asian Creations have been holding charity eye makeup workshops for the last 4 years for various causes. The workshops allow attendees to come and learn exciting new beauty skills whilst helping those in need. This is a unique opportunity for makeup artists and hair and hijab stylists to utilise their skills to help those that are in need in Syria. All the artists are giving their time for free, and the venues are heavily subsidised or free. The money donated for these workshops goes directly to the refugee families inside Syria during Ramadan.
AFG have been working with the refugees for a number of years now. Much of the initial efforts were about providing emergency relief, medical aid and food to families who were once like you and me. They left with what they had on their backs because they thought, okay, you know what, this is only going to last a few days. Okay, maybe it's going to last a few weeks. Weeks turned into months, months turned into years. We're now into the 7th year. Al-Fadhiya Global set up a refugee camp in 2016. You will see how the ground was levelled. It was a mountainous area. There's a valley below. There's about 150 families that are being supported by the Al-Fadhiya Global Camp, but we are supporting those that are further down as well because they know that they can come up and they can have aid. We take aid packs and we give the refugees what we think that they need. What the e-aid card system is doing is giving them an opportunity to go to a collection point in their refugee camp, swipe with the card and take what they need. Well over half the population inside Syria are displaced in chicken huts. They have moved to caves. They have moved to abandoned homes, and inevitably it's always the very old and the very young that suffer the most.
I would definitely recommend other artists to take part, to become a part of this amazing concept. I think it's the first time in the UK that something like this has happened on this large a scale. We've had some amazing artists come together. It gives other artists a chance to work in collaboration with one another.
We all, are so busy in our normal lives and, doing our normal work and, all the things that we really, really love doing. But this, it just gives us one day where we can just give that to people who really, really need it.
It was such a pleasure taking part today because of all the good work and all the help and support. I just want to say it was a massive pleasure taking part and thank you for having me.
And luckily Hadra's got good hair, otherwise what I would have to then use to kind of get the backcombing to stay is a bit of texturing powder. There's only so much we can do from where we are, and I feel like what Al-Fadhiya Global Foundation do is they go out there and they kind of provide firsthand and they actually take action.
So when I got there, I literally used my head and I thought, right, what can I do?